In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an alarm to your iPhone home screen. Now, before I start the video, please consider subscribing and liking this video, it helps me out a lot. So, what you want to do, you want to long hold until the app starts jiggling and click on the plus icon, and then if we search for alarm, as you can see, it's not here. But if you add a clock, any clock, click on add widget, click on done. If I were to click on that, I can just quickly go to the alarms. If I was the last time in alarms and I click on it again, as you can see, it's not here, but you just need to click on it and that's it. To remove it, long hold, remove widget, remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some problems, please let me know in the comments down below.